This is walking through the right side of the aircraft into the forward galley. Flight attendant section, ovens. Okay, walking forward into the cockpit, forward galley. Fellas, let me get up there 1 second if I can.
Yeah, let me get out of your way here. Sorry about that.
I'm just filming this. I don't want to turn this off.
Oh, okay.
Breakers are in.
Okay. Up to the cockpit. All the power's on.
That's where entertainment normally is, at the top of the back.
It's Roland up here. He's the man. He's got us all fired up here today. You're on TV, brother.
Just passenger address. It's full production. Cabin service. Cooling. So ahead is that.
Okay, walking back. Right side of the aircraft. Forward galley. Again, okay, walking back into the first class section. All the seats are covered with plastic. The airplane is stored inside. And it's a 2-2-2 arrangement up in the first class section. All the overhead bins are covered, and we have an entertainment center up front. Light blue sidewalls and dark blue carpet. Walking back a little bit further to the next section of the aircraft, we got a coat rack right here. Also another first class section, 2-2-2. Okay, another entertainment center in the second section. And looking back forward into the initial first class section. Okay, continuing our way back in the aircraft to the central flight attendant station. There's 2 seats for the flight attendant, hot jugs, and fire extinguisher compartments. Looking forward again into the second first class section, lavatory. Okay, now back into the coach section, which is a 2-3-2 arrangement. As you can see, all the luggage bins are open. Continue walking aft, and you'll see the third entertainment center right here. All in all, in very good shape. Walking back, further aft. Back here in the aft section, you notice a large open space in the aircraft. I think we've got the seats for this. Continuing back to the rear of the aircraft. Next lav. Sink. There's my client, David Ray. Say good morning, Dave.
Good morning, David.
Okay, and back into the rear flight attendant station. 2 jump seats on either side of the rear door. Here's the rear galley. Looks like we've got all the roller carts, hot jugs.
Tonight's again, yeah, test. 30 seconds and shut off. So if there's no entertainment in the back, everything's up front then?
I'm going to go back through this way. Okay, coming forward now on the right side of the aircraft, the door, 2 flight attendant seats on either side. Next, rear lavatory.
The monitors, screens are the TV.
Okay, walking back from the back of the aircraft forward, large open section again.
Those are from the main system that has up here.
Okay, once again, all the seats are covered. No evidence of any mildew of any sort. The airplane is stored inside a hangar, and it's very, very well ventilated throughout. Okay, once again, coming back from the back of the aircraft up the right side into the center flight attendant station, the right lavatory.
So that's probably
because these are...
All right, coming into the second first class section, moving forward in the aircraft, you'll see that everything's taped up, including the TV monitor entertainment centers. Coat rack. Moving into the forward section, the first class section. Okay. And all the way back up again where we started. Okay, now let me take you outside and look at the aircraft a little bit closer. It's got a power card on it. Large hangar where the aircraft is stored. So the aircraft is inside at all times.